What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And I know it's been a while. I did just release a couple shorts. You might not have got a notification if you have your notifications on, but they're up. And it kind of goes over why I haven't really been there. But since you're here, might as well tell you. Car has been down. Mostly I'm still waiting for the bags, or the bag to show up. But also my battery died. And then the timing with everything was just a little weird. So car was down for a little bit. Homies at Street Elegance got me right. And we're about to actually head on over to their meet. So let me know if you guys would be interested in Street Elegance times Fitted Squad meet, where you guys can just come out and chill as well. Definitely let me know if you're interested in that. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there. Haven't driven the car in about 2 weeks now. Just been sitting here. As you can see, got that surface rust, gotta get off. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright, so pulled up. Look who's aired out next to me. Straight from New York. Let's see. Hold up real quick. Oh, he got it locked. But hold on, he's about to unlock it. Okay. Look at it. Yeah. Of course, he has more stars than I do. Sorry, it's not focusing. But yeah, clean. Here with the squad. He's definitely lower than me. What size are your wheels? Oh, that's 18. 18? Yeah. A lot lower than me. My 20s. And this is the side without the bag. That's the side with the bag. Definitely feel. So make sure you guys follow him. Make sure you follow him. Yo, what? How did I miss that? Like, hold up. I was too focused on the homies. So I already see my favorite car. Yo, what up?
I see you for a minute.
Oh yeah, I ain't been coming out. But yeah, here is my favorite. Look at what? I ain't even gotta see everything. I already seen it. Got my dream car. Yeah, I gotta get this as a thumbnail. Alright. The meat is a lot bigger than I thought. Angelo. Yeah. I actually saw these lights online and I was looking at them. I was thinking about it. Yeah. Alright. Now we can really go around. Alright. Excuse me. Now that's dope. Definitely dope. See what else we got? We got people coming in. Alright. We're gonna go through here. So the parking lot is packed. A lot of people have been saying they've been wanting longer content, so I'm gonna try to get y'all with a longer video. A lot of times I've been cutting it and editing it down, but we'll go raw today. Oh yeah, as always, let me know which car is your guys' favorite. And if you know anybody in the videos, see their car, probably can't tag them, but at least send it to them. Now, another favorite. Even though you know how I am with the white cars, this one definitely caught my eye. 'Cause this one definitely got the 4 speed. This one, 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 4 speed.
I was over there, but you can my car first.
So we got an Instagram on here. Yep. Definitely check them out. And here's the other one. This one caught my eye too. Excuse me. So dope. Make sure you follow. Check them out if interested. I've seen this one on YouTube. I gotta see whose that is, cause that I've seen that on YouTube. I've seen this one a lot. I feel like I see this one at local store. Probably work there. They're always there. Somebody out here smoking. We got a homie who I saw on the freeway. I knew they was coming here. Seen this car. Started thinking about one of the homies in Maryland. But yeah, Keon. similar theme over here. Alright. I'm gonna have to go get me some food over there. I heard we got a red Ultima over here somewhere. I wonder if they left. Oh, they probably saw the Sentra and was thinking Ultima. seen him online. Never met him. Might have to go check him out. Yeah, we got a nice turnout this time. Yeah, we got the squad out. Ryan about to come pull up. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, honestly. Alright, Fitted Squad, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Met some new homies, so Fitted Squad is definitely growing. If you guys are interested in joining and you're local to the Central Florida area, or you're willing to travel to the Central Florida area, definitely let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, that's the best way. You can say something on here, but Instagram is the best way. It's 2Fitted, link is in the description below. But yeah, the squad's growing. Got a few people who's going to be potential members, and they're not Nissan owners. So for all y'all who keep saying I only like the Nissan people, nah, we're gonna have some more. Going to have a new banner here pretty soon too, so definitely stay tuned for that. It won't be the next video, but it's coming soon. You'll be seeing it. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all who came out and who showed love as well, who came up to me, so definitely appreciate it. I'd like to thank you. Oh, actually, before we jump into it, I kind of forgot, I think the last video, but today's comment of the day from the previous video is going to be, and if you would like to be featured, make sure you comment down below, and we could definitely get you in for a comment of the day. So just make sure y'all remind me if I forget. So if you see that I didn't put it in there, throw it in, say something. All right, but thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.